We'll guide you through how to master Asana using the latest features and UI elements from 2025 to 2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the Home dashboard, which gives you an overview of your tasks and projects. To start mastering Asana, let's begin by creating a new project. Click on the Create Project button at the top right. You'll see options to start from a template or build a new project from scratch. Choose the template that best fits your needs or go with blank project if you want complete control. Next, enter the project name and set the project's privacy settings. You can choose between a public or private project, depending on who needs access. Once your project is created, you'll be taken to the project board. Here, you can add tasks by clicking on the Add Task button. For each task, you can set a due date, assign it to team members, add subtasks, and even attach files. To keep everything organized, use sections to categorize your tasks. You can create a new section by clicking Add Section at the top of your task list. For a more visual approach, switch your project view to Timeline or Calendar using the view options at the top of the page. This allows you to see how tasks overlap and manage deadlines more effectively. Remember, you can also integrate Asana with other tools like Slack or Google Drive to streamline your workflow. Simply go to Apps in the left sidebar and follow the prompts to connect your desired apps. Finally, keep track of your progress by navigating to My Tasks, where you'll find all your assigned tasks in one place, helping you prioritize your work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.